Welcome to our guide on creating the perfect tech pack. Whether you're an aspiring designer or a seasoned brand owner, a well-prepared tech pack is the key to turning your vision into reality. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to create a tech pack that ensures accurate and efficient production. A tech pack or technical package is your blueprint for manufacturing. It includes every detail about your design, ensuring that manufacturers can replicate it accurately, minimize errors, and save time in production. Start with a cover page. Include your brand name, style identifier, season, date, and designer name for easy reference. Think of it as your design's passport to production. Next, add detailed technical sketches. Use clean two-dimensional flat sketches that show the front, back, and side views of your garment. Highlight every seam, pocket, or zipper, and use callouts for clarity. Include a size chart with key measurements like bust, waist, and garment length. Add tolerances to account for manufacturing variations and include grade rules for scaling sizes. Specify fabrics with details like type, weight, and composition. Include color codes for precision and add lining details if applicable. List trims and accessories such as buttons, zippers, and labels. Include diagrams for placement and material specifications. In this section, we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of stitching techniques, seam finishes, and some special techniques like pleats or bonding. We'll also include diagrams to help with the more challenging areas. Now let's move on to artwork and branding. We'll cover artwork placement, dimensions, and exact colors. We'll also specify where the logo should be placed and the details for the care label. Finally, we'll explain how the garment should be folded, bagged, and boxed. We'll also cover hang tag placement and the dimensions of the cartons. Finally, add sample requirements and care instructions to complete the document. Use tools like Adobe Illustrator or TechPacker for precision. Structure your document with clear headings and visuals, and most importantly, be specific with details to avoid confusion. Common mistakes include lack of detail, missing tolerances, and unclear artwork files. Always update your tech pack with each sample iteration. Leverage tools like CLO 3D for visualization and Pantone guides for accurate colors. These resources streamline the tech pack creation process. A well-crafted tech pack sets the foundation for seamless manufacturing. With these steps, you can ensure precision and professionalism in every design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into fashion production.